Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0 in here. This one we have 2e to the power of 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. E to the power of 2s ds we change by the u over number 2. So we have the formula in here. So I will put number 2 go in here. So we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3. So number 2 and number 3, we have number 6. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.